It's another red hot day. Everyone's worrying about putting suntan lotion on their kids and making sure their dog is in the shade. But who ever thought about Henry in this heat? Well, today I'm going to run a test with him to see if the temperature gets too much for him to handle. I've set him up with 3 things you should never do to a Henry. He's in the direct sunlight, he's got his cable so it's not fully unwound, so that's going to get hot too. And I've put some socks on him just to restrict his suction a bit so the motor's working harder. And in the meantime, me and my friend, who you might recognise, have something very important to be getting on with. Okay, as you can see, I've come outside to test his temperatures, check on him, and he's stopped working. Now, don't worry, that's actually a normal thing. If they overheat, they've got a thermal cutout on the motor. So actually, in some ways, it's a good thing that it stopped working. Also, it's unlikely that it's stopped working forever. I'll revisit that in a little bit. But first, let's see how hot he got. So we're going to start with his hat. And that's gone to 68, which is quite high because it's still the morning here. It's only about 26 Celsius, the air temperature. Let's just check his cable now. Now, it shouldn't all be coiled up like this. You should always make sure it's unwound. Otherwise, this just creates a heat source all by itself, even if the weather's not hot. That's coming in at 46 Celsius. That's not too high, you know. I wonder if it's cooled down. Let's just check the motor to see what that says. Okay, so the motor is coming out 81 degrees Celsius. It's had time to cool down a little bit now, which explains why it cut out if it's that high. Now, to prove that I've not murdered Henry and to help you out as well, if your vacuum cleaner overheats, just bring it inside, unravel the cable, leave it so it's not plugged in, and then check for any blockages using this video here, and then after about half an hour, give him another try. He's alive!